be going on. Leave it.
Your dime bag doesn't go to bed.
No.
Huh? That's the car for yours.
Benjamin, that's a bit green. I don't reckon it'll burn too great.
It's a spewer of shit, so.
Oh, what's up, If I was videoing, it'd be weird, eh? Go on.
I'm fucked.
Hello. Right. We're going on our annual camping trip today and going down Southport. We're going to do a bit of camping, just an overnight stay. A few of the boys are meeting here, then we're picking up a couple on the way past. We're fully packed, we're kitted out, got the swag on the backpack, and look, I don't normally wear a full face helmet, but the weather's meant to be pretty shit, so I'm going to chuck the full face on for this trip, I reckon. Alright, let's get we'll get loaded up.
Look at last time.
That's the class deal. It's only old going years.
Bring back a few memories, does it?
No.
Whoever's behind me, if we get a real wet patch, just bear in mind I'm going to slow fuck down. Because that's why I fold it fast.
Why?
Because it's so fucking wobbly with all that weight on it.
Charlesino.
Who's got Lorna Shaw?
Show us your flag. Go on.
Lorna Shaw.
Show us your Japanese fucking fan. Go on.
Oh, it's gone out. But what's up,
Man, well, you know. Oh, put some shit on top of it. Or
Yeah, fuck somebody.
Put some shit on it. Really?
I'm fucked.
No, don't you fucking go to bed.
You've been talking about it all night.
No, you fucking... Come on, you got to spew.
It's a spew or a shit, so.
Your dime bag. Dime bag doesn't go to bed.
No one goes to
He goes to bed and he sticks coins in his foreskin.
Anal wank. Anal wank. Fucking anal wank.
Is that a camera?
Yeah.
Me and Glenn.
Show us. Show us, mate.
I'm not on Facebook yet.
Why has he got his pants down?
Who got the most paper?
You're standing in front of me. That's a P. Diddy Justin Bieber shot. Bring the wood down.
No, he did have to.
Actually getting through it alright. Nah. Glenjamin, it's a bit green. I don't reckon it'll burn too great. You're going to be going all. Leave it. It's alright, we'll come back next year. We'll come back next year. Show us what you're doing, Ando.
I'm working on this stuff here.
Nah, it's going to get real hard soon. I don't think we're coming back here.
Hey, he's got a strap.
Is it coming?
Is it coming?
What's the street bob?
The Street Bob ST.
It's going to fall backwards.
No, you're into it.
Is he actually falling in his car?
It's not overly small either, Glenn.
feel alright, mate? Bit of possum food. Fucking hell. Oh yeah.
We must have been fixing straps, but I didn't stop because
We're back, but not without casualties. Are you happy with yourself, Brownie? You happy with yourself, mate?